Let's build a deluxe barbecue grill that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. First, let's start with a 1x4 plate. Place a 1x2 flat tile right in the center of the 1x4 plate. Now let's take two 1x2 modified plates with top holder. Place them on the remaining areas. Then we're going to take this and set it down on a 2x4 plate as shown. And we're going to fill in this area with a 1x2 plate. For the front, take a pair of 1x2 by 1x2 angle plates. These are going to be used to attach some knobs. In the middle, set down a pair of 1x2 transparent orange plates. And these areas, a set of 2x2 plates. In the middle, 4 1x2 radiator grills for a grill. And 2 1x2 flat tiles on the outside edges of the 2x2 plates. Now on the front, let's attach 4 1x1 round flat tiles for our control knobs. Let's flip the assembly over. On this side, take a 1x2 by 1x2 angular plate, place it on the left hand side. On the right hand side, let's take a 2x2 round plate with a bearing assembly, place it down, and a set of wheels. These are the wheels that you would see on a skateboard. There's the bottom portion of our barbecue grill. For the top, let's start with a 1x4 plate. Place 2 1x2 modified plates with sticks on top of the 1x4 plate. On the left hand side, set down a 1x3 brick. On the right hand side, take a 1x1 brick with one knob, place it as shown. Let's lock it together with a 1x4 brick. On the top, let's fill in the center with a 1x2 flat tile, followed by 2 1x1 plates with holder. And we're going to put a 4 stud long rod on the top for a little handle. For an exhaust, we're going to place a 1x1 round brick on top of the 1x1 brick with one stud. And there's the top. Let's set the top on the base. So I'm going to put these sticks in this holder assembly. Just push that down. Snaps in place. Top does close down all the way. Now they don't make a 1x3 version of this wheel, so this may tip over, so you don't want to open up the top all the way. But it is scaled for minifigures. There you have Jay the Surfer. You can see you can easily put something on the grill other than his hand. And in addition, this does roll around, and this plate is actually used for a little stand as well to keep the barbecue level.